Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been requesting for me to do a home tour for quite some time. So I decided to go ahead and do a Easter spring home tour and share with you guys the bottom level of my house. So let's just go ahead and head inside. So you are all welcome inside. So right outside our walkway, I just put some of these welcome signs that I got from the Dollar Tree. Some of them have fallen over from the wind, and our flowers are blooming, so yay. And then I also did a DIY on this guy. It's just like a little Easter basket with flowers, and there's glitter eggs at the bottom. And then I just put a little Easter basket over here with some eggs. And then I got this from Target, oh goodness, ages ago. But they always come out with this every single year, so you can find this on clearance at Target. So okay, and then our entryway right here, I just have this silver round mirror. Got this from IKEA, goodness, in Chris and I's first apartment together. So this is an old item, but I think you can still find it. And this is one of my first pieces I made in the house when we first moved in. It's this home sign with a wreath in the middle of it. So I just got everything from Hobby Lobby to do that guy. And then we have a little, I guess it could either be a dining room or like a second living room, but I chose to turn it into my office. So over here, this actually used to be a TV stand, but then I just turned it into a little storage unit here. And then I have a little Easter bunny lady over here, and then a woven Easter egg. And then I did another DIY with those peeps. And then this is my desk area right here. I actually made my desk. This is just a wood top and I stained it. And then I liquid nailed the tabletop onto the actual storage cube. So all this really is a four cubby storage unit that you can get from Target. And then I have these fabric boxes, and I use these to camouflage the kids' toys so it doesn't get totally out of hand. So we have like a block bin, and we have some puzzles in here. So it's just a way to kind of keep the toys under control. And then on our bottom floor, we have all dark hardwood flooring, and then all of the carpets that I got from Target. So I have them all over the place. And then this is just kind of like our little command center over here, the kids' shoes, what I need to take to donate, backpacks, all of that stuff. You know, everyone has like a random throw all area in their house, I'm sure. And then we have a nice storage closet over here that actually acts as Scarlett's closet because her room was actually an office. So it did not have a closet, so that's her closet. And then this is one of our bathrooms. This is our downstairs bathroom. So we have this mirror right here. Hello, baby says hello. Yes, I'm getting ginormous. I'm almost 30 weeks, so it's almost time. And then all of our countertops in our house is this quartz white countertop, which I really appreciate. And then our cabinets are white. And then in here, it's just minimal. I have a little Easter egg hunt sign, and then another little random Easter egg. And then I decided to get a little fancy with my toilet paper, and I put it in a pink bin from Target. And then we have a single stand-up shower in here. So this is the downstairs guest bathroom, but this is the bathroom Chris uses. Yeah, you heard that right. Chris and I don't share bathrooms. From the start of us living together, I did not want to share a bathroom with him because boys are super, super messy. So I just didn't even want to go there. I didn't want to share a bathroom with him. So through our whole relationship and our whole marriage, we have not shared a bathroom together. And guys, here's a little tip. If you are at all able to, get your husbands to scrub the toilets because they're the ones that make the most mess. So they should be the ones scrubbing those toilets, right, ladies? And then down here, we just have Scarlett's room here. So the princess sleeps here. So now we'll take a peek to see what exactly Scarlett is doing. So it looks like Scarlett's just lounging. This is quiet time, so she's just lounging in her room. This is what the princess does during quiet time. She has her little tablet, her crown. She's got a bag of chips. She's just chilling. So this is her princess room. Scarlett, is this your princess bed?
Yeah.
And then we have her name on the wall. I found these at Hobby Lobby. They have all the Disney princesses on here. And then for her room, it's just really small in terms of Easter decor. I only really have an Easter bunny. And then up here we have her name, which is, I've had these since she was born. I made these for her first nursery. There's crowns that you'll see all over the place. My next project is to actually paint these and just get a stencil. And then we also use this little storage system as like clothing storage. And then Scarlett's favorite princess is Ariel, so that is why you see mermaids all around. So it is a princess mermaid room that Scarlett loves. And then she has her little princess hooks for her jackets and her backpack, and again Ariel, and all of her costumes. Is your backpack Ariel?
Yes.
Okay. And then this is another storage hack I have with the kids. I always put all of their stuff in laundry baskets because it is a big enough area to hold toys, but then conceal all the clutter from the toys, and it's easy pickup. So thank you for showing us your room, Scarlett.
You're welcome.
Oh. And then over here is our living room area. So the kids have their own little TV seats. And then we do have an electric fireplace, which we don't use all that often because it kind of makes us nervous. Now that we're homeowners, we're like nervous of fires. And then we have some more rugs, Target rugs. Target rugs are great. And then we just have our big couch, Ashley Furniture, in case you're wondering. And then for the springtime, I just threw in some pink pillows. So I got these around Valentine's Day and knew I could keep them through the springtime because it's pastel-y pink. And then this is what I have going on with our wall right now. So this sign right here, the Welcome to Our Nest sign, this is from Hobby Lobby. I got it on clearance. And then this S I got from Michael's, and I got the wreath from Home Goods, and this little galvanized vase I got from Michael's, and then the greenery and the pink flowers I also got from Michael's, and then I just have some picture frames, very minimal. Something I love about this house too is I went ahead, I probably should take down that Valentine's Day, those Valentine's Day signs. But our house has built-in bookshelves, so there's one on this side and then there's another one on the other side, so I really like that. I like having these little built-in shelves, so it just has some wedding pictures and whatnot. And then these little chalkboard crosses I got from Kirkland's. And then we have some more bookshelves right here, just random kids stuff, you know how it goes. And then this is our little dining room area, so we have our dining room table, and then I just went ahead and put these little Easter Bunny chair covers, got those from the Dollar Tree last year, and they actually held up. And this tablecloth I think I got from Michael's. I got the and sign, this white picture, and then the little stand that it's sitting on. I got all of those from Home Goods, and then I got these pink little flowers from Michael's as well. And then I have a little coffee sign right here. I collect these mugs from all over, so I'm very proud of my collection, and I love the wood because it ties into the theme of my house, so I really love that. And then I made my little moss Easter bunny, so I do have a DIY on this guy, so if you guys are at all interested in learning how to make that guy, I'll leave that video below. And then I just have another little small gallery wall over here. I like to keep the colors somewhat similar throughout my house, so you'll see a trend of colors in my house. So I try to go for the wood and that galvanized tin look. And then this is our kitchen, which you've probably seen in my clean with me videos. So we have a nice size island over here. I got this home sign from Michael's as well. And then I got these little bunny baskets, and then I used it for a pot holder, but it looks like I need to get a new fern because that fern is kind of dying. So yeah, so this is our little island right here. And then I have a little stand for little knickknacks in the sink and my soap and dish soap. I really love our deep farmhouse style sink. I love the deep sink, and it's actually really easy to clean. So I thought that it would not be that easy to clean, but it actually is really easy to clean. And then our cabinets are just a charcoal, like a light charcoal on this side, and then they're all white over in here. And then we have the same countertops right here, white countertops up, or we have white cupboards up here, and then I just have a few signs up here. I have a market sign. I spelled out the word eat, and then I have another plant up here with another Easter basket with the Easter bunny ears, and then little Miss Scarlet made that, so I went ahead and put that in there. And then this pantry sign I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I love to go ahead and put these little jellies on the fridge. So we have the Happy Easter, and then we have the Easter bunny and carrots. And then I have another one right here on the microwave. They stick so well. And I think they're easier to see when you stick them on items like this versus putting them on the windows. And then I have a little bunny right here, and I keep my sugar-free hot chocolates because instead of putting chocolates or cookies in there, I put the treat I can actually have, and that's sugar-free hot chocolate. And then I got these two little plants over here from Pier 1, and then this little Virginia sign I got from Altered State back in Virginia, so I wanted to have a little piece of Virginia in my home, so that's where that's from. And then I found this little felt board from Target in the dollar spot not too long ago. And then one of my favorite pieces is the Magnolia Home galvanized tin tray, and I got that from Pier 1 as well. And then our backsplash, this is what our backsplash looks like. And then I got this little white utensil holder from Home Goods as well. And then all of my little wallflowers are always in this design right here because I thought it tied into the colors with the quartz countertops, and then I thought it really complemented the backsplash, and then it complements the mirror in the bathroom, so I just stuck with that. And then one of my favorite pieces is from Target. It's my pineapple cookie jar, and inside here I just keep like wax melts and oils and stuff like that. So this is, and then I'll take you guys around outside. And then we do have a pretty decent sized backyard over here. So we have some planters over here. Haven't really done much work on this yet, but there is tons of space for the kids to go ahead and ride their bikes back here. We can put a pool, little like blow up pool, and then it goes all the way down the side of our house. And then we have a lemon tree back there and an orange tree. So hopefully they start producing some fruit pretty soon. So, and then this window gives off, oh, such great lighting. So love having all the windows around. And then you guys have been asking how I store my coupons, and this is my coupon bin right here. So again, it's another one of those like fabric storage bins, but I'm able to hide it when I don't want it out in the open. So that's my trick in keeping all of my coupons organized. And then I got this Easter Bunny sign from Dollar Tree. So it says, "We believe in the Easter Bunny." And then I found the same exact saying at Target, and it's so true because we do believe in the Easter Bunny in this house. So yes, I'm 30 years old and the Easter Bunny still visits me. It's a true story. So up here, we just have a little makeshift shelf over in here, and this is where I put all of our wedding stuff and our breakables because if you have toddlers, you know, you can't keep anything breakable by them. So this was a nice place for me to be able to store that. So I just threw some Easter eggs here. I got these Easter Bunny candle holders from Target, clearance of course. I got this You and Me sign from Hobby Lobby, as well as This Is Forever. I got that at Hobby Lobby. The vase is actually an antique from my mom, so not sure where that came from. And then this is one of my favorite pieces. Chris got me this for Valentine's Day a few years ago. This is from Pure One. So this is where I choose to display this stuff. And I think the wood and the silver ties into the colors of our home really nicely. So now we're gonna go downstairs, and comment below if your stairs look like this too, where you always have like a collection of stuff that just piles on your stairs, because I use my stairs as my dirty clothes throughout the day, so I know what needs to go up to go to the laundry. So I probably should have done that before I filmed this video, but we keep it real on this channel, so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little home tour, and I will go ahead and do a part 2 of the upstairs once I finish the nursery and once I get our master bedroom put together and all of that stuff. So part 2 will be coming hopefully in the next month or so, because I'm pretty sure that nesting's gonna kick in and I'm gonna wanna finish everything before this baby gets here. So fingers crossed that that's what's gonna happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my home.